Hi, today in front of me OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher, tap to activate, and after that go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as they all of the emojis. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.